Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 72. If we start with this box, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 9. For this column, we're missing 2 and 5. I don't see any help. So 2, 5, 2, 5. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 3. We've got a 1 here and a 3 here, so this is our 2. That 1 makes this our 3, 1. And that 2 makes this our 5, 2. For this box now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. For this box, we're missing 4, 5, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 5, 4 here, so 5, 9. No help here, 4, 5, 9. For this row, we're missing 4, 5, and 9. We've got the 4 here, so 5, 9. 9 here, so 4, 5. If we look at this row, we're missing 1, 6, and 8. We've got the 1 here, so 6, 8. 8 covering both of these boxes and a 1 there. Makes this our 6. That 8 means this is our 1, 8. For this box now, we're missing 5, 7, and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 9. 9 here, so 5, 7. And no help here, 5, 7, 9. If we look at this column, we're missing 3, 5, and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 5. 3 here, so 5, 7. If we look at this row, we're missing 1, 4, and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 4, 7. 4 and 7 here means this is our 1. Wait, I think I made a mistake. That row, we're missing 1, 4, 5, and 7. So we've got the 4 and 7 there, so this should be 1, 5. Sorry about that. And no help here. 1, 4, 5, 7. For this row, we're missing 3, 6, and 7. We've got a 3 here and a 6 here, so this is our 7. That 6 makes this our 3, 6. With that 7, we can get rid of this 7. For this row, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 7. For this box now, we're missing 2, 4, and 6. We've got 2 and 6 here, so this is our 4, 2 here, so 6, 2. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 4. For this column, we're missing 5, 7, and 8. We've got 7 and 8 here, so this is our 5. 7 here, so 8, 7. That 5 makes this our 4. We can get rid of this 4. And that 5 makes this our 9, 5, 4. That 5 makes this our 9. And with that 9, we can get rid of this 9. That means the only place the 9 can be in this box is here. For this column, we're missing 3 and 5. I'm not seeing any help. So 3, 5, 3, 5. For this row now, we're only missing a 2. And for this box, we're missing an 8. With that 4, we can get rid of this 4. And for this box, we're missing 1 and 5. And I don't see any help. And for this bottom row, we're missing 1, 3, and 5. We've got 1 and 3 here. So that makes this our 5. That 5 makes this our 3, 1, 5, 7, 4. That 7 makes this our 5, 7. That 5 makes this our 3 and 5. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.